All right, folks, welcome back to the garage. Today, we're getting rid of the oil can. I bought a pack of Kilmat, which is a butyl-based sticky thing, which should help with sound deadening as well as heat, because it's friggin' hot here, because it's the south in the summer. It happens. But anyway, this is a nightmare. Well, hopefully you can pick up on that. But so first things first, I want to lay it out, see where it actually fits. The roof is it'll be what it is. But then I want to do the floor pan as well. Just again, heat, sound deadening, etc. And I heard Kilmat's good, and it is a quarter the price, half the price of what's the other stuff called? Hell, I don't remember. But it's expensive. But this isn't. So anyway, let's get to it. Alright, so what I think I'm going to do, so what I like about the Kilmat is, it comes in little sheets like this, and I don't know if you can see, but, it has those little rectangles on there. Apparently those are air pockets. I don't know. Then you're supposed to use a roller. I didn't get the fancy metal ones. I just had the seam roller from working around the house, so I'll just use that. But I think what I'm going to do, God, it even echoes in here, is use 4 little sheets and basically just put them in the corners, more or less. So 2 there, 2 back here, and see how that goes. So, I mean, you heard what it sounded like. Oh God, this is like that strip caulk. It's it's all goopy, but I mean, you heard what it sounded like. It literally sounded like a tin can. And it echoed, and it was not that great. Then we come in here, roll that down, especially along the edges at first, so it lays nice and flat. And then I'll come back and I'll do the middle bits. But most important thing here is to be quick and efficient so you don't get bored out of your minds. And while I'm doing this, if you enjoy my content, even if you're ambivalent about my content, if you take half a second, click that subscribe button, the like button, it would help me out. Fledgling channel, trying to make somewhat enjoyable content with my witty quips and excellent commentary. But I would appreciate it. But let's toss this up right quick, and we'll see. We'll bring it back outside and knock on the roof. See how it sounds. Roof. What's the right way to say that? I say roof, I think. Sometimes I say roof. I don't know. Let me know. What do you think? Is it roof or is it roof? I will say this is going on nicely. All right, let's go outside, see how it sounds. All right, let's see what it sounds like. Ready? You can definitely tell where I put it, but it is way better, infinitely better. I need to insert a Ric Flair woo theme here. Woo! But yeah, I'm perfectly happy with that. And I also need to put in the headliner, right, which will help dampen some of that as well. So next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out the floor with the rest of these sheets and figure out how I want to stick it all on the floor so it makes sense. Let's do it. All right, so I think this is generally how I'm gonna lay everything out. I still have a fair few of these things left. All right, so I'll fill in all the open gaps as well. But I broke my roller. So I think what I'll do is I'll get it all stuck down and kind of close enough, then I'll just go to Ace or something and buy a new roller. But yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna do it. And underneath here I have drain holes, so what I'll need to do is cut a hole in the actual Kilmat, right? So I have access to that, so I can put the plate in and drain, just in case, you know, I have an inch of water in my car. But anyway, let me get you tossed up and let's get to sticking this stuff down. All right, folks, got the Kilmat in and remembered what I was trying to think of earlier. It was Dynamat. Kilmat is quarter to half the price of Dynamat. Anyway, moving on. Went up and over the axle hump there. Got the floor covered, and big difference in sound. You know, it's nice and dull, I guess. It's not all tin canny. Roof sounds good. Roof, rough, whatever. I need to get a new roller because I broke my old one because it was plastic. That's why people use metal ones. But I gotta roll that out, and apparently that'll help as well. But other than that, appreciate the time y'all coming along for this journey of me trying to figure out what the hell I'm doing. But like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.